So, the next part of our lessons in Python is about producing some sort of output. Output means sending something from a program out to something else. So you might want to print something to a printer, but in reality, I want to send information to the screen. That's the basic one you do. You send information to the screen, so when someone runs your or executes your program, they can actually see this stuff on the screen. So I'm going to start off with a basic command that says print. Yes, print there. Notice again the colours change. Just realise that this is a command, an instruction I can tell the program language to do. So this one says print. Now right now it won't print anything, but if I do print something, it'll be within these two curved brackets. An open curved bracket and a closed curved bracket. These are required, you can't skip these out. If you put in the wrong brackets like those ones, it won't work. Okay, so make sure you use the right shaped bracket. To send a string of text out, you'd place it within double quotes. So we know what a string of text is already. So I'm going to put in a nice little sentence here. My name is Matty and I am 49. And the next line, print. My shoe size is 11.5 and I like the colour black. There you go. Put the L in there, makes it look like black. So that is two commands typed in. Now I'm going to save this again by Control S. The next thing you can do is run it. Now it says here run module. If I make any mistakes, it'll stop me and tell me I've made mistakes, but it hasn't. Automatically it's ran it and it's executed all these lines from the top to the bottom. It's went through all the comments, it's went through all the variable creations, it's went through the two print commands, and because the print command's output to the screen by default, it basically tells you what I said in the print commands. So if I want to inform someone some basic information, that's an easy way of doing it. You can then close this window off and keep this one open. So that's a basic print. Now you might have noticed though, when I used that print command, which was okay, all the information I've said there is technically stored in the variables above it, but I haven't used any of the variables yet. Right, I didn't use any variables at all. Right, so you have to think to yourself, why did we make these variables? And we will use them in a little while. The next thing to look at is taking a new line. Now if you want to take a new line, you can use a new print command. Right, so if I want to, there's a spell mistake there. If I want to, what I can do is, I could do this, close that one off, put in the word print, and do that. So that's me get three print commands. I'm going to run that again. Now in run, it says run module F5, so you can press F5 if you want. So now I have 3 lines of code that actually print stuff to the screen. Now that's one way of doing it. Or if I wanted to, I could take it all the way back to the way it was and do something else. If I put this in, /n. /n means take a brand new line. Now that's 2 print commands, but I'm saying here, put the answers in 3 lines. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So when it got to the word like, it's taken a new line. Because there it's there, just before like, I have /n. Next thing. In order to add in some more lines within the same stuff that I have, just put in /n somewhere else. You can put them in all over the place if you want to, and it'll take a new line. So I'll save that again, F5 to run it, and I've got lots and lots of lines of answers, but only 2 print commands. You can take it even further if you want to, and get rid of the other print command. So I bring all of this up here, all the way back to there. 1 print command, press F5, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different lines of code. Right, but remember, we still haven't made use of any variables yet. We'll use variables in the next lesson.